For an impulse momentum experiment, students collect data on a collision between blocks A and B. A force probe is attached to block A and is used to measure the force exerted by block A on block B as a function of time during this collision. The data collected shows a positive force that is used to determine the impulse on block B. The force sensor is removed from block A and attached to block B. And the experiment is run again. Which of the following correctly describes how this affects the data and if the impulse on block B can still be determined? When the probe is attached to block A, it measures the force exerted by A on B. When the probe is attached to block B, it measures the force exerted by B on A. Due to Newton's third law, these two forces are actually equal in magnitude. They just differ in sign due to them having opposite directions. This means that the corresponding impulse on A and B are equal in magnitude, just opposite in sign. Therefore, each of the data sets can be used to determine the impulse on either of the blocks, A or B. The option that best corresponds to this conclusion is D.